Alright guys, I am almost done if you're following me building this. I'm almost done, I'm on part 6, it's getting exhausting pretty much. So, what I finished, or I stopped on, is pretty much, we've done all these cross things to keep on the wing, which is pretty much on right now, but we still need to put like these on for the second wing on top. But, alright, first you want to take a piece of tape that is longer, twice as long this way. So I'm pointing this way. Alright, so do this. So maybe two about. Alright, or only like one probably. Just enough to cover the top right here. That's just to keep down the taped pieces that we just taped. And I was all excited to make a video today, but then people kept on bugging me. Do you think this isn't really exhausting? It is. This is like my 20th video because I've had to redo a bunch. Like, my phone rang, like, I didn't want to put that in. My phone rang, I had to go eat dinner. There's just a bunch of commotion right now. Alright. So, pretty much you just put tape around this way to keep down these pieces of tape. It still is a little bit floppy though. So, what we are going to do, pretty much working out. Here, I'll tilt the camera a little bit. There we go. Alright, I'm not gonna quite do that yet, but here, we are gonna need some more tape. I already have these pieces on the edge right here, but alright, next you're gonna need just two of these. Pick out like your best ones, like that one and that one. So you just trash it. Or keep it just in case, you never know. Alright, you are probably gonna take about, maybe about that far in. So just put that up to your wing. And then what you could do is you just take a piece of tape, again, rip it in two, so it's just like that. Just little skinny pieces, not really much. And then just mark it. And then it's gonna stand up right there. Because then the second leaf shouldn't go off. It's pretty much as tall as that. So, yep. Alright, I'll do the other side, which you can't really see. Alright, what you're gonna do next, I have a bunch of tape right here, so, which you can't see again, which I am going to put long ways, like this way. So just put it on there. And the part that you creased, that is the crease, is the part that you want to be facing forward. Alright, so that you put that piece of tape on, that is gonna hold back. Pretty much. Alright, another piece of tape. Now what you're gonna do next is, see where you marked right there? And then pretty much just do this. Make sure it's kinda in the middle of the wing. Get it as close as you can. Doesn't have to be perfect or anything. Nothing's perfect. Alright, so pretty much just that. It's just a little tiny flap. Alright. So, alright, now I'm going to do the other side, which you cannot see again. Not, I don't want to see, but I don't want to move the plane. It's in a pretty good spot now. So just put the tape on like that. Like that. And just put it right where the crease is. Don't forget about the crease. So you can kind of see it's back here, right here, right here. But alright. So remember that if you're just watching and you're making the future, remember, bigger wing goes on bottom. Just a reminder. Alright. Now back over here. Sorry. I like where the plane is because it has that little crack right there. As you can see right here. That's where I put the end. As you can see, I'm going to measure this right here. The tape. Just to make it a little bit stronger. So that it doesn't flex as easy, but it'll still flex. Alright. Just put it right on there. Just put a piece of tape on there. Nothing much, but it just keeps it a little bit stronger and stiffer, but it'll still bend like this. That's okay, but it's definitely harder. You could definitely feel it. Alright. Now it's almost time to put on the second wing, which is probably going to be the hardest because then you got to work under the wing. You don't really want to flip it over unless you haven't put the rudder back. Actually, I should probably take off the rudder. I'm going to take off the rudder. You don't have to if you don't want to. It's just going to be easier for me if you're working on a bigger table that's not actually on the ground. You can, but it's just a lot easier for me. So, off goes the rudder. How long have I been doing this? 7 minutes? Well, I must be going to like part 7 now. Wow. I thought this was only going to do like part 2 or something. Nope. Part 7. So, pretty much I just took off the rudder. That's pretty much it. So, now, see now I can just put it anywhere. It'll stay up now. So now we are going to put on the second wing. See, without the rudder I could flip it over. It wouldn't do much. Here, I keep on promising you that I would show you my planes. I don't know if you really want to see them. I don't care if you don't. But I keep on promising that I will. So I just want to get it done with. That's the plane I'm building right now. You've already seen it. You're probably building it. I'll get my other planes. Alright, this is the one that I told you that does not have any rudder. It just has that. They both are shaped the same. The whole entire body acts as the rudder. And I have those little tiny braces. What we might do right here, that goes across, it's a little bit, yeah, it is kind of sticky, but we can always recover that. This one flies good. You just pretty much just drop it and it'll fly straight. So this one's a great flyer. Alright, this is my second plane. This was used a total of, this was used a total of 14 pieces of paper. It's not that great of a design. It kind of sucks. This was really bendy. This was pretty much hot glued on. So this is pretty much it. Like, that's the tail. It's kind of folded right there. And then that's my landing gear, when I told you. But it just creates weight. I needed more weight on the front of that, so. And the only reason why it's apart right now is because I dropped it from my balcony, and what pretty much happened was the paper just kind of bent right here. it just kind of crumpled, so now it's in the habit of crumpling, and all I need to do is just replace this one piece, and all I need to do is put it back together. So there's pretty much one wing. So all I do is I pretty much just put wing into wing, or yeah, wing into wing right there. It's pretty much that. This is one of my good wings. It's right shape again. This was the first wing I've ever made. See, it's how it's flat on the bottom. It creates lift. So yeah, that's pretty much my plane. Now back to the plane I've been building. This is the second wing. Alright. Well, I'm gonna need to go into part 6 now, I think. This is part 6. I need to go part 7. Oh wow. Alright. So there's my planes. On part 7, I will show you how to put this wing on. So, and how to put it like on here. So that's kind of what it will look like, sort of, just like that, with the tail and rudder. This is a pretty good looking plane so far. I'm actually impressed again. I'm not really impressed by a lot of things. So I will show you part 7 right now. Or I'm gonna go to part 7 right now. So